Got my boy Josh here. And today we gonna do some apartment hunting at 18 years old. 18, got something real special for y'all. I mean, I'm really excited, you know. First time looking at apartments, studio gonna get an upgrade. You gotta stay tuned, see what we got.
Yeah, you wanna record anything like that? Okay. Oh, yeah, where? Yeah, what? Yeah, this is 2-bedroom right here, 7 deep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this one is definitely nicer. And it's not high up too. You know, I'm afraid of heights, so.
It's a corner seat. It's not too high, not too low.
It's perfect. Beautiful view of pocket too.
Yeah, can't wait to open back up.
Alright.
Fox here. Yeah.
Beautiful view.
Yeah, this view pretty dope. Yeah, we got see that's a parking garage too, so like you don't have to worry about how old is the park.
Oh, they got the floater ceiling windows. I'm definitely feeling this spot better. The 2-bedroom, right? 2-bedroom, right? Yeah, it's 2-bedroom. They got your floor to ceiling windows now. Well, kinda. It's close enough. Keep the tour pushing. I'm liking the place so far. Looks good. Beautiful views everywhere. Beautiful clubhouse, beautiful pool. Amazing. Just keep the tour pushing. Bro, you know like how many shoes I can fit in here? Okay, look. This whole entire wall can just be filled with shoes. Alright, so how you feeling so far about the rooms and everything?
Big and has the closet.
That's it? That's all you gotta say?
It was a nice apartment. What you want me to say?
He said it's big and it has a closet.
Put the stool at the end as well, so it's, you still have tons of room in there. Do you know how much square feet? What is that? This is 1270.
Definitely a nice little place. I loved it. Like, it don't get no better than that right there, honestly. I love all the buildings. We would definitely do a two-bedroom apartment though. Only because, like I said, it's 2 of us. Now, I'm not sure who will get the master. I think it will be me. Only because I have more stuff in general. And you know, the bigger closet, the bigger closet has to go to me because, you know, I have all the shoes. Excuse this noise. It's gonna be quiet.
Do a shoe wall.
No shoe wall. It's just the master would definitely go to me. I'll definitely need the bigger room. Hey, how you doing? Are you gonna say something? I'm definitely loving the little apartment place. It definitely looks great. Looks good. I mean, the views are immaculate, man. Like, but we still got to hit one more place before we actually make a decision. I do know it's like somewhere around this area, but I'm not too exactly sure where. All right, y'all. So we're just now leaving that first spot, or we've been at the first spot, but that was the first spot. Hope you guys like enjoyed the little montage thing or whatever. So if I remember correctly, those apartments start at what, 300,000? What?
3,000.
Start at 3,000. Yeah, I guess it got lost in translation somewhere. But yeah, so those are at 3,000, and that's only the first place. Now we're heading off to the second place. We're about to get there real soon, in about 1 minute, and we'll be over there. But so these places are how much? 3.5 thousand. So with that being said, I'm expecting them to be a little bit better, but we'll see. You guys see in like 2 seconds, and I'll see in like 5 minutes, depending on how. Alright, y'all, so we're at the second place right now, and honestly, it's beautiful. I don't know, I'm kind of torn between the first place and the second place, but I love the view. This place is better than the second place, but I don't know. The first place had a nice view. Yeah, this is the second place. Now this place is around, like we said in the car, 3.5K. That place is like 3,000. You know, nothing too shabby or whatever, but you know, there's a lot of light in here. Love the windows, love the view and everything. The kitchen is immaculate. The kitchen is really amazing. It's just, this is the one bedroom, right? Oh, there's 2 bedrooms? Okay. So I still got to show you the other bedroom. But this is what it is so far. They said I couldn't bring my camera up here for whatever reason. Other than that, I mean, it's a beautiful place. It looks good, looks great. So I'm gonna continue to get some more B-roll for you guys and call it. All right, y'all. So right now we're in the master bedroom and got them. A floor to ceiling window. I like this one. I like the rooms a lot better than the last apartment we were in. I know I wasn't doing a lot of vlogging. I don't know. I'm still kind of weird about it, but yeah, this one is absolutely crazy. Like I said, you guys can see that in the B-roll and everything too. What? What? All right. I'm gonna show you guys the closet. Wow. You know how many sneakers I can fit in here? This whole wall right here, sneakers. What? Wow. Wow. What you gotta say? No cursing on my channel. This one's crazy though. Here is the master F. ADubs. Alright, y'all, so we just got done looking at the second apartment, and this complex is crazy. Like, we just saw a G-Wagon, a Flying Spur, a 7 Series,
A lot.
yeah, we're looking at a lot. So, like I said, this place is like, what, 3.5? 3.7. And then, you know, it's beautiful. It was real beautiful. They wouldn't let me bring my camera up there, but I did get some B-roll on my phone, so you guys should be looking at that. But to wrap it all up, I just want to say I appreciate you guys for coming through, looking at the vlog. You know what I mean? Constructive criticism is always appreciated. You guys always appreciate it. And you got anything to say?
If you're looking for apartments in the Atlanta area, you should really stick with Zillow and apartment lists. A lot of the other ones have apartments that aren't updated like that, so stick with those two.
Okay, yeah. But you know who it is, you know what it is. The Snapchat is ace.17, the Instagram is ACEDubs, ACEDUBSS, and his Twitter is solely Ace. And as always, bros, it's ADubs, and I'm out. Deuces.